Nichedge Academy, Sector or ETF Fund. Disclaimer. The information provided by Nichedge Academy is protected by copyright and is intended for educational and informational purposes only. May not be reproduced, distributed, or used in any manner without express written permission of Nichedge Academy. Please at your own time read through the disclaimer at your own discretion. Education, research, resources, source tools, and trading. We aim to educate via video format on the topics we go through this presentation. We've referenced articles for research purposes from other reputable publishers where appropriate to assist the teaching of the topic. The articles are sourced from Investopedia with titles and links attached at the end of the presentation. We use Scholarly, an AI-powered article summarizer tool to identify key information such as study participants, data analysis, main findings, and limitations. This can reduce research and study time by over 70%. The original PDF slides and Word document article summaries from Scholarly shall be made available for further studying along with the original articles as free resources. All further social media post sharing enabled by Scholarly may have additional Wikipedia links embedded for further educational reading and research. Quillbot AI software is used to paraphrase definitions on bespoke topics. Guide and train yourself on the topic by alternative options like the articles, PDF slides, video, Word document, or a combination of all three downloadable resources. What is a sector fund? A sector fund is an investment fund that focuses on a specific industry or sector. Sector funds are often accessible in the form of mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. Sector funds have higher volatility since they focus on a single part of the economy and so lack diversity. Sector funds can be invested in either actively managed or passively managed funds, the latter of which typically track sector-specific indexes. What is an exchange-traded fund? In contrast to mutual funds, which only trade once a day after the market closes, an exchange-traded fund is a basket of securities that trades on an exchange like a stock. ETF share prices fluctuate throughout the day as the ETF is bought and sold, whereas mutual funds only trade once a day after the market closes. ETFs have low expense ratios and broker commissions than buying the stocks individually. What is a sector ETF? A sector ETF tracks a basket of representative equities from a single industry sector rather than the entire market. Sector ETFs are available for all global industry classification standard sectors, as well as a few other ad hoc and unique sectors. Sector ETFs allow you to invest in an entire industry without having to select individual stocks. What is an exchange-traded fund? Exchange-traded funds are like mutual funds but trade like stocks. They offer investors broad diversification in line with the indexes they track. Many ETFs are available that likely fit your specific needs and investment goals. ETF investors can consider funds that target specific sectors or industries, such as energy ETFs, or investment styles such as inverse investing. Most ETFs have lower fees than actively managed mutual funds. Article title and link. Sector fund. What it means, how it works. Exchange traded fund. What it is and how to invest. What is a sector ETF? How do you invest in one? Introduction to exchange traded funds.